They finally got it. So this is how you do it. This is tape, medical tape. It's hard to get off. Place it in the trash can. Then you get medical tape. Piece of bread. Dried up bread that'll never stay on the hook. Won't do it. Get your hook. Spit on the bread. Just like that. Spit on it. Spit on everything. Then you take it and you mix the spit up with the bread. Smash the bread all over the hook. Smash it down on there. Yeah, like that. It's a mess. It will never stay on there. It won't do it. And you get some tape. See, the bread already fell off the hook already. Take some medical tape. Bread. Wrap it around the bread, the tape. Wrap the tape. See, look at that. Look at that bread falling off there. This don't make sense for it to stay on the hook. You're like, I ain't gonna stay on that hook. Wrap it around the bread real tight. Real tight. Real tight. Real tight. Save some more tape for later. Poke your hook out like that and set it on the outside and really, set it on the outside of the tape like that, right there, where the fish can get a hold of it, the hook. Tape, bread, done. Now watch. One cast. Let it sit there for a minute. I'm gonna reel it in. Reeling it in. Bread and tape still intact. Now I'm gonna let it fish. See my cord? Just gonna take a break for a minute. You might think, oh, they're gonna get your bait. No, they ain't. Not my bait. I'm waiting for the big one to get it. Uh-oh, look like he might have a little something.
2 casts, and fish been tearing it up.